because I think African spirituality is hard to find origins, as each region on the continent have unique yet very similar practices with different origin stories and creation myths. It can be said that African spirituality formed the basis of all religious systems, if we take that out of Africa theory as fact. And I guess with Kemet specifically, even though I wouldn't argue that Kemet was the first religious system or the first spiritual doctrine, I think at that point, and I think we've got evidence of religious or spiritual musings from that part of the Nile Valley as late as, or not as late, as early as 10,000 BC, with Nakata and that Napta Playa, the stone circle. So we began thinking about charting the celestial bodies, and I think initially we would have started off for pastoral reasons, like when's the best place to farm, when's the best time of the year to farm. But I think
study nature.
As we begin to study
science.
more, it's a science.
Study nature leads to this stuff.
You've heard of Stonehenge. What if I told you that there's an astronomical site in Africa that is 2,000 years older and more complex, but archaeologists have ignored it for decades? Deep in the Nubian desert, near the border of Egypt and Sudan, lies Napta Playa. Built around 7,000 BC by cattle-worshipping nomads, this isn't just a pile of rocks. It's a sophisticated calendar. These stones align perfectly with the summer solstice and track the movement of the stars in Orion's belt. This means that thousands of years before the pyramids were designed, or Stonehenge was even a concept, ancient Africans possessed an advanced understanding of engineering, physics, and astronomy. Historians used to think that these nomadic people were primitive. Napta Playa proves they were actually the forefathers of Egyptian civilization. Why do we then view the Stonehenge as a mysterious marvel of engineering, but treats Napta Playa as just some rocks in the desert? I think it's time we respect the original architect.